Which passages of Scripture should guide our public policy? Should we go with Leviticus, which suggests slavery is okay, that eating shellfish is an abomination? Or we could go with Deuteronomy, which suggests stoning your child if he strays from the faith? Or should we just stick to the Sermon on the Mount, a passage that is so radical that it's doubtful that our own Defense Department would survive its application?
It's the return of the goat of the city of kings, and I've been gone for a while. I had to sort a few things. Now I've come to my own, and my own know me now. Now who the hell is there trying to claim a spot? I'm a champion's champion, I'm chosen like Gideon. Anything can happen like mistakes, selling million. I turn barbers into skull crackers, hook them up to my flow, they became rap superstars. Me and Willis were soldiers up in the same struggle. The KG Mafia with Chichi, a cafe Baku. La Untulisi with C4, we ring the city. Till I choose like my gangsters, ride with me. I hear tales, speak ill of their bosses now. So they brought me back to bring order up in this chaos town. Skies, we made you, why would we break you? You still wonder why radios never play you? Just look right in front of you. Now you know who you have to go through, and I dare you. So I dare you. Now, Bulawayo's being dead to the reason it died. You couldn't walk in our shoes, now your water run dry. Drama saga on no solo, watch the years go by. I'm like a landmine, Jiggy, don't cross me line. You can bark all you want until your face look like Godzilla. History reveal, approach you rap, Chimurenga. Until I make a mill, mixtapes around forever. Forever, ever, forever, ever. Paper, pola, shh. Ipola pants, ipola pants. Paper. Never mistake my identity, I was born supreme. I'm a warrior, black by nature, kiss and tell lecture. I'm like a dose of morphine, I'm so addictive like serotonin. I'm in a circle like a dolphin. This outside campus got me strapped. Ungavusi xenophobia with me, you get clapped. Gun on my waist in case you don't know how to act. I shoot straight bullseye, you need me as your ally. Triple and tone, I'm all gaudy from Kulumani. Polar sun, yo Kongili, let me serve you with my milk and honey. We can take it to the street, even Miami feels my heat like monoliths that will blow off your feet. You take my weakness for the weakness. One more word from you, son, he's over fire and a necklace. You living reckless like Juke, I'm the law in your face. Now I know you man enough to run this presidential race. I'm ready to die, I'm big, but I ain't your papa, son. I let your mama give me head, you better lost the son. The city's mine. I could have been your daddy, boy, but I ain't the one to go steady.
We know the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong. Do you not think an angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm?